Explain why 1 is not a prime factor. We've been over this many, many times in class. Prime numbers have two factors. You should know that these are 1, which is a factor of every number, and itself. 1 only has one factor. Between which two integers does the square root of 84 lie? Well, the square root of 84 is between the square root of 81 and the square root of 100. And the square root of 81 is 9, the square root of 100 is 10. So the square root of 84 must lie between 9 and 10. We want to write this one in index form. We can see 3 2's, so that's 2 cubed, 2 3's, so that's 3 squared, and 3 5's, so that's 5 cubed. And then doing the opposite here, we're going to write this in expanded form. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, because we can see the index of 4, times 3 times 3, the index of 2, and then we've got an index of 4, so times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Is 555 divisible by 15? Explain. Well, to be divisible by 15, it needs to be divisible by 3 and by 5. So you have to explain that that's the case. Now, if you do 5 add 5 add 5, that's equal to 15, which is divisible by 3. And 555 ends in a 5, so it is divisible by 5. Fill in the blanks below. So we want this number to be divisible by 4, and we know that we just look at the last two digits. If the last two digits divide by 4, then so does the number. So you could put a 0 here because 4 divides by 4. You can't put a 1, 14 doesn't divide by 4. But so you could have put 2, you could have put 4, you could have put 6, and you could have put 8. Any of those were correct. For this one, we need it to be divisible by 9. Now, 9 is one of those ones where you add the digits. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 24. So we need something there that's going to take us to a multiple of 9. And the only thing possible is a 3, which would take us to 27. No other digit would work there. A few people tried 9, but 24 add 9 is 33. That does not divide by 4. So it had to be a 3 on the line